In this recording, I'd like to talk a little bit about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a topic that's confusing to people in Excel, but I don't think it's quite so bad in Access. And the only place that's really used is in reports. So let's take a look at that. Once again, I'm using my pizza orders database. Already have it open to save a little bit of time. If you didn't follow along with recording 3.1, you're going to be at a bit of a disadvantage because we're going to be using this customer orders report. Open that up. And this is what the report looks like. It lists each one of the customers, the orders they've placed, and the totals that they've earned. And now what I want to do is make this report a little bit more easier to decipher by adding what are called conditional formats. I want to format some of these numbers differently based on the values that are in there. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to go into Layout View. It makes life just a smidge easier. I don't think I'm going to need the property sheet, so I'll hide it. I want to take a look at the cheese sticks. If you look at the data itself, cheese sticks are orders in groups of 5, and the maximum amount that we have is 20. So I want to highlight those people who are ordering 20 cheese sticks. Maybe I want to send them a coupon, maybe I want to call them and say, if we would let you, would you buy 50 more, or whatever. So I'm going to select the field that I want to apply my conditional formatting to. I'm going to go to Format, and here's my conditional formatting. Okay. There are no rules right now for cheese sticks, so I'm going to make a rule. And you can have multiple rules for each field. And I want to check to see if this field is equal to 20. And these are the criteria that I've defined. Somebody's defined this for me. And then I need to set a format. What do I want to do if it is equal to 20? I think I'm going to change the font color and make it kind of a bluish color. Okay, and make it bold so it stands out even more. And I can do all kind of italics, underline, give it some shading, etc. Let's see, I think this is even more stuff. All right, so we can do a few other things. There's limits to the formatting you can do. Changing colors, you can't change font size or anything. But you can italicize and you can add some shading, so let's just do that as an example. We'll put some pink shading, can hardly see it, so let's try something light blue. There we go. And that'll shade all the people who are ordering any orders that have 20 in them for cheese sticks. Click on OK, and here's one right here. And notice how this one is blue, but this one's a 15. It's not. We can take a look at coupons. Maybe people are abusing their coupons. So we can go to the coupons and say, anybody who's got a coupon greater than $4, I want to see it and make it red. So once again, I select the field, make a new rule, as long if it's greater than or equal to 4. Make it red, and I don't think I need any boldface or anything. Click on OK. Now we'll scroll through here and see if we find any. There's a 4, there's a 425, but all the other ones are still black. If we see a whole lot of those, we might want to make some decisions. Now in this case, the $4 is with 20 cheese sticks. In this case, it's not. It's with a medium pizza, and well, we saved a lot of money there. So that's pretty simple. You can do that with anything. If I want to highlight my mediums, my larges, I can say if it's equal to the text string. I can check the dates to see anything that's really old or even very new. You can do conditional formatting on anything. And I experimented a little bit, and I even discovered that you can do conditional formatting on these totals. So let's say that I want to format anybody who spent more than $75 at my pizza shop. Again, I select the value, conditional formatting, add a rule. If the field value is greater than or equal to 75, okay, then let's use that same bold blue, or let's pick something a little different. How about purple? And once again, I kind of like that shading, so we'll do a lighter purple as its background. And you can do that. You can do whatever you want with the formatting, but this is the key part here. Click on OK, click on OK. Let's see if anybody spent that kind of money here. 20, 69, 62. Pretty sure there's one. Okay. Lots of orders. He's up over 70, and that's highlighted. Now we're currently in just report view, so we can see the report. Probably we're in layout view actually. If you go to print preview, all that stuff is still there. All the highlighting is still there. All right? It's just page by page, so sometimes the values are a little harder to find. I think that 75 was quite a ways down, and there's no real good way in layout view or report view to see where the page is split. But that's the concept for conditional formatting. Really quite simple. Click the field that you want to set the conditional formatting for, define the rule, define the formatting. Done.